Alright, today we're going to be doing back to school shopping and we're going to be at the Staples here in town.
So let's go on in and get some super cool stuff.
See, I like this box one because it matches a backpack I have. Part of this video. Before anyone asks, I'm going into 9th grade and I am 14 years of age. I'll be 15 in like 2 months. Alright, first item on the haul, this backpack. It's really cute, it's leather, it's gold. Look at all this cool stuff and tassels and this quilted pattern, sleek and cool. Also, look at this peely. I savored it just for this camera. Nice. On to the next item. Wait a minute. With the purchase of this backpack, we've got 20% off all of our other items, and that was a great deal. Next, this box of liners. Good for art, and I really like them. All right, next up, this cute folder. It's pink, it's got gold stars, and that's really all there is to it, but it's really cute. It's got pockets. Next is this journal. This is the back. This is the front, is this journal. Would you look at that? It's really cute. I really like the way that this is done. It's really cool and celestial. It's really pretty and I like it a lot. And if you've noticed so far, a whole lot of my things are gold and I like that. This dry erase board, it's tiny and I don't have a locker this year, but I like dry erase boards. They're cool and you can draw things really easily on them. So let me just show you. I got these cute multicolored tiny little like memo pads. Once again, a tiny item. Tiny notebooks. I like these a lot. And they have very cute designs, like that kind of, I guess, vintage maybe a little bit. Like, they're also velvet if you see that. They're cute. I think this one's got like a mouse on it. And then this one is a dog. Next, a bunch of pencils. Straight up number 2. Anyways, I'm excited we got to work with Staples again because shopping at Staples, it's great. You get a whole bunch of back to school supplies and they've got basically everything you need for like elementary, middle school, and high school, and also college. And now, on to the next haul.
So here is everything I got from Staples store. But first up, let me tell you, I'm going into 10th grade and I'm homeschooled, so I don't need a lot. So first up, I got these Cork Boards. Because they have nothing to do with school, I just needed them to put pins on. I got these markers for school, these pens, very nice, yep. Tacks, very nice, very tack. I got this journal thing, no, this notebook to do math with. We got beautiful pencils. Are these? They're triangle pencils. I didn't know that. And I got this mouse pad. Because I need a mouse pad. I do most of my stuff online, so I would need a mouse pad. Thank you, Staples, for partnering with us. It's always fun to shop at your store.
I'm a senior in high school and a freshman in college, which means I'm dual enrolled, credits for high school and credits for college at the same time. This semester, I'm taking college algebra, composition 1, and general chemistry. So here's what I got at Staples. First up, I got these Sharpies, and as you can see, they're already open. And that's because I got so excited after buying them that I used them on the way home, and basically I just fixed the logo on my headphones, and these will also come in handy when that happens again and anytime I need silver Sharpies. In addition, all my classes I'm taking are online, so I have a really nice laptop for that, and might as well keep my laptop looking the part that it's supposed to be. So I got cleaning fluid, I got a duster for the fans, and I got myself a little cleaning rag. So I also got myself a ruler. I already tried to build myself a inclined base for my laptop because the fans are on the bottom, and if you incline it a little bit, it'll cool better and preserve the battery more. But I failed at that, but I'll try again. This ruler will come in handy on many occasions. I got myself a really nice looking notebook. This is to take notes, maybe a planner, just to keep track of the assignments I'm doing and to keep myself organized. Thank you, Staples, for partnering with us, and thank you for watching. Click these rectangles to watch more videos, and click this circle over here to subscribe.